Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to send Bitcoin from Coinomi wallet to other crypto wallet. So in that case, first of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go and log into your Coinomi account. So when you're logged into your account, then you need to go ahead and press the send option located in the main dashboard page. When you do that, you will need to enter the recipient Bitcoin address. So for that case, what you have to do is, if you're sending it to your own wallet, then you need to open up, let's say if you're sending it to Trust Wallet, then you need to exit out of your application and then you need to go to the Trust Wallet, or you could go to, let's say, Binance, and on this page you need to go ahead and select trade, and here you need to press on deposit. So here you need to go ahead and press on receive. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the wallet address of the particular asset. You just have to copy it and exit out of it once again and go to the Coinomi account, paste in the wallet address that you recently copied into the exact amount, and confirm the transaction. That's basically how you can transfer Bitcoin from Coinomi wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.